a lot quicker. Let's move to the disclaimer. Livestream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We are not licensed professionals. This is not a substitute for you consulting a licensed professional. We're not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90 to 95% of all traders lose money. And we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Of course, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41 regarding hypothetical or simulated performance results that have certain limitations and are unlike an actual performance record. Read the entire paragraph and let's get to the charts. Okay, we did a little bit of a gap up. Not by much. Wow, it took me that long to get through it. 376, 388, 12 points above. I will take a look to see what the markets did in the final hours. I didn't really have a chance to look at that yet. But let me keep my eye on the charts now for the first couple of minutes for see what's happening. Maybe I can jump into a trade. So far, I can tell you my record is very lousy. Pretty damn lousy on my first trades in the evening session. So nothing to write home about. Good news is I'm kind of wanting to short, and we're above the previous close, so I get the best of both worlds because my screens are telling me to go short. All my screens. Well, actually not really. The 1 minute is above the bands, and that's bullish. So we'll watch and see. I'll wait for gold rallied nicely. I'll wait for a red Heiken Ashi candle. Meantime, I'm doing the final setup. One time I will remember to do it before the stream starts, but that one time is not today. Let's get Counter-Strike up. Wrong time. There we go. Okay, waiting for a short. See if we can get the market to turn a little bit lower. As soon as it does, I'm jumping on the short. See if we can head down to the 380 level. I hope I don't have to give back too much though, or give up too much waiting for the signal. Given that there's only 14 points, average range of the 1 minute candles is 5. That's really nothing impressive. And I have this big bowl in front of me because all I get for supper today is chicken broth. Lucky me. No solids for me today. It was a tough day. I lost my 300K account. Hey, hello, Woodchip. Hello, Woodchip. I lost my 300K account today. I don't know if I'm going to let it renew or if I'm going to reset it. I don't know. The profit target of 20K with only a $7,500 drawdown. That's almost 3 to 1. It's kind of ridiculous. I mean, it's not ridiculous, but you have to trade it slow. And I don't want to take 4 months to pass it or 3 months to pass it. And other than that, I'm left with kind of gambling and trading a little too aggressive. $409 is a target. Okay, so when it hits 409, can I short? I know what the problem is. My camera's on the wrong side. Target filled. There we go. That's why I had a bad day today. Yes, I can go short at 409, I think. David's all excited. He got himself a new setup. I didn't get anything yet, letting me know that I can go short. Still watching. A new version is available. Please refresh now. I did it already. Top step is bugging. If it tells that to me again, I'll get angry. Still waiting. Oh. That could be construed as a red bar. Of course, I'm in late. Story of my life. Let's see where we go. Being distracted while trading is not a good idea. You have to focus on the charts. I'm giving up too many points getting in late. Should have been short at the 400. Now I'm short at 96.50. That's 3.5 points. That's a lot to give up on an entry, especially if you're going for like 10 or 12 points. There's no excuse to be getting in late. Actually, since I saw that I was getting in late, I should have avoided entering the trade and waited to see if I can actually get my price or just let it go without me. That would have been the right thing to do. I'm going to stick around till 7:30, I guess. Volatility is already low, 4.79. I'll be encouraged if I can see 385 on the charts. That's quite far away right now. Well, this amount of volatility, it's quite far away. And I can say I almost have no skin in the game because I'm trading an Apex account. It's a 25K account that's close to failing, so I don't even know where it is. I was going to check before I logged in to see how much room I still had left, but I went out. I came in late. I had to make supper for the familia. $385, that would give me 11 points. That would give me $66. That would be my daily target. Let's see if we can get 385. Full port. I think I am full ported on this account with 3 micros. I really have no idea. I'll tell you what the balance is. It is. Maybe I got some room. 23,868. So I probably have $350 on this. I'll play with it today, and then I'll play with it more aggressive tomorrow. Make or break. I had a good day today, actually, except for the 300K account, and I did hit my PDLL. Oh my God, look at that! I just saw it on another screen. But I hit my PDLL on another account. But other than that, I had I think 3 or 4 accounts that I got up by $800 to $1,000 each. So I was happy with that. It's old news. I still have my Bulenox account. That's $85 away at 9.15. I didn't touch it today. I didn't feel confident in in trading it, and I don't want to put it at risk. That account must pass. No doing stupidities and losing $300 or $400 on one trade and then getting angry and or revenge trading and putting myself in the hole and making myself $1,000 away from passing. I will risk 20 to make 20 or to make 30 or to make 40, and I will do it in a few chops, and I will get it over the threshold. One loser, and I will stop trading it. Emotions won't get in the way of that account passing. And now I have an Apex account that's close-ish. It's at 52,008. Anything else that's worthy to note? No. And top step, which is going slowly but surely, 55.65. 50,565. I usually play with that either pre-market or when I go off stream. Let's try to make $50 to $80 a day. I'm going to get a headache from not being able to eat. That's not fun. Well, given that this is what I would consider a garbage account, if I got my if, I will add. See, that's the difference between Top Step and Apex. Top Step, or maybe it's not even Top Step. Maybe it's just the platform that they use, Top Step X, which Bulenox and the other company calls Big Platform X, Tick Trader. You don't get partial fills. When it hits the price, even if you put a 30 lot, you get a full fill right away. All it has to do is either trade at the price or trade through your price. I think it has to trade through your price. So if you're offering at, let's say 390, it's got to go to 3. If the offer goes to 390 and a quarter, I think they fill you. Don't quote me on that. It may have to trade at 390 and a quarter. But you don't have to worry about partial fills. Partial fills is what kills my performance when I'm using the Apex trade copier. It puts the copier out of sync. Then it's never able to recover properly, and you get one account losing while one account's winning. I heard Tradeovate has a copier. I gotta look into it. I think they said you can copy with the Tradeovate copier to all your accounts. Oh, it's true. I said I was going to look. Let's take a quick look. Start with the 15-minute. Huh. $30-minute with the zones that I marked in. And the 5-minute. Here's an example of the initial balance retest. I think this is an excellent example of what I was talking about, what I think Trades by Matt looks for. Let me change my cursor. On the 5-minute, a close, not just a wick, but a close above the initial balance. This white dotted line happens to be, I should change the color, but it happens to be the initial balance high. And you get some distance. You get one or two candles that trade completely above the initial balance high. There's space between the low and the initial balance. And then we come back, we retest, and we continue back up. And he goes for 10 points. 10 for 10, and last I saw. So let's say he got filled, even if he got filled at 09, 02. So that trade worked out nice for him. I came down around 5:30. You got to be kidding me. Well, the first trade is a losing trade. Curse continues. It's a cool trade. I forgot about that. Yeah, I like it too. But like I said, I have to see some, who keeps changing my cursor? I have to see some distance, some separation between the initial balance and the low of the candles after you get the close above. What did it look like on the 1-minute? Oh, I don't know if my initial balance extends out that far. Did you short 409? I didn't even know it hit 409. Oh yeah, it did. No, I don't know. I'm short. So looks a little bit different. We had a lot of separation. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. And we came back. The initial balance is this thin white dashed line, so it extends out to here. We came back, popped up a little bit. He may have gotten profit. I mean, I don't think he took it. I don't think he trades this late. Oh, wait. Yeah, you got your 10 points. You got two 10-point trades out of it if you would have taken it twice. And we came back and blew right through it at 08.25, which is where we are right now, I think. No separation, though, and the separation came over here, and we never really revisited it. Yeah, separation is crucial. Not just the close above. You want to see price able to close above and also hold. Yeah, because sometimes it wicks and sometimes it closes and then it just reverses on you anyways. Or 16 stop. Seven. Well, theoretically for me, 413 should be my stop. Theoretically. I don't know if I will, the account this close to busting out. I think my stop will be that message that you can no longer trade. It's a distraction for me to have an account like that that's close to busting out. Let it just be gone and be done with. Full ported short. I'll add a little bit. Why not? What do I have? I have 6. Let's make it 9. It's not a full port, but let's see if we can get a dump. I have VWAP at, looks like 97. Maybe we can go kiss VWAP. Or maybe we just keep going higher. That's a lot. You told me full port it. Now you're telling me 9 is a lot? Full port on 25K account, I think, is 40. I think you're allowed four minis with Apex. I'm 4 micros. Pas le fun. It's time for that word we learned. Patience. No, it started with ka and ended with lis. Top Step keeps telling me to update. Okay, it's gone. They took it. Bad news. What's the bad news? We lost. Okay. Let's see if this account, this is another one. This is my, I have one other one that has a little bit of room left. Also a 25K account. And I have no idea how much room it has left. So let's throw this one to the dogs also. In terms of what price wants, the targets are too close to long here. Yeah, I don't think I'm trading. I think I'm just getting rid of my accounts. I'm flushing my accounts away. I'm doing house cleaning. For 30. Okay, 430 is good. Somehow all we did was trade higher until my account busted. And then I opened up another crappy account. It's my last one, my last flushable account. And as soon as I went long, price starts drifting lower. Oh, woe is me. Wow, that was a delay from the time I clicked. Actually, the best opportunity to recover these types of accounts is on the open. Trying to catch an open run. Because that can just take off without bringing you into drawdown or unrealized and then losing the account and then having it go in your favor or having it go your way. Okay, let's see where Windows set my mic at. It was at 59, if I remember, this morning. 66. They magically raised it a few points. Maybe it has to do with how loud I talk. This is much better. This is where it should be. You're short at 14 and I am long at 13.50. May the best man win. $3.77 on the average range of the 1 minute candles. That is not headline news. That is discouraging. Yeah, it was crazy slow after I left. Yesterday I took a look. I am long 14. Okay. We stopped 4 micros. Well, I like the pattern that I'm seeing. Hopefully I can squeeze some juice out of this one. And if I can, then I can give it a good shot tomorrow on the open. Oh, it's true. I wanted to see something. Bear with me. Mm. Yeah, the opening drive had 3 losers this week so far. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, do we stall out here? Do we stall here temporarily? Or can we get an extension to 425? Even 4 points. 420. Way higher, 450. I'll take 450. I won't complain. Won't complain with any of them. A new candle. Let's break the highs of the previous 2 candles. That's all I ask for this candle. And then we run on the one after that. Actually, I was surprised to see the selling into the close for the last half an hour. With the strength that came in from lunch until 3:30, pulling us over initial balance, we still close in the top 80% of the day's range, maybe even 90% of the day's range, but I still thought we would close closer to the highs of the day. Let's see what's in store for tomorrow, if we have another bullish day, or let me see on the 30-minute what we've been doing. Yeah, on the daily, we're getting above the 50 moving average again. But if we were to look at these retraces in this pattern, that's about equal to the previous two. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay, we broke the highs. That's it. We get pushed back right back down. Didn't want to give me a big candle, a 10, 15 point candle, or 8-point candle. I have a 5 lot. Come on. I got out half. I got out half, and I'll tell you why I got out half, because I want to use the gains to take a good shot tomorrow with this account. So if I can put 100, 150, it gives me a little bit more wiggle room. Trading the open tomorrow. Well, looks like we might even go below 3 on the average range of the 1-minute candles. And if it does, that's Sleepsville. Took a piece out. And let's see, maybe I'll add it back. If I see 413.50 on the bid, I'll put it in at 413.50. Now let's see it go back right up to 420. And at 406, I stop out. And I think that'll be my evening. 11,000 contracts have traded. That's normal. Waiting to see if we can get back to 420 with a 406 stop. Look at those candles move. Oh my God. Come on, give us Bert. Just a 5-point candle. That's all I ask. Now, 5-point body. Give me a 5-point body on the candle. No, not on that one. Not a 5-point body on the downside. Well, I was in good position there. 416. I was up 3¼ points, waiting for the next bullish candle. Instead, it got knocked down. Where's the zone above us? What can we look for? 21,500. I mean, not now. Maybe tomorrow. And there's your 5-point candle. It's just in the wrong direction. Should have taken the $70 when I had it. Oh, it's true. Let me see. Well, I learned what the settings were in the with the compressor filter yesterday, with the release, the attack. For the audio filter. Come on, go back up. Short 3 at 12, 24 stop. Compressor. Yeah, but now I most of the time when I have to cough or clear my throat, I mute the mic anyways. I'm starting to remember to do that. That's mostly what it was for. What did I set my 88? Okay, it's holding steady. Windows isn't playing around with my mic levels. Oh, we haven't dipped below 3 yet on the average range of the 1-minute candles. I'm actually thinking to reverse directions. Oh, but there's no movement. I save it for tomorrow. Okay, I didn't have a lot of room in that account. I had 152. Goodbye, Charlie. Okay, well, Chip, with that being said, I'm done for today. I'm not going to trade my other accounts. The other accounts, I worked hard to get them up by 800 to 1,000 on most of them. So I can't say that was fun. I wish I could. And I will be here tomorrow in the morning. Probably a little bit after 9 o'clock. Once again, thanks for showing up, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.